Bills piling up, credit cards maxed, investing feels like gambling, and everyone's trying to sell you something. Take a breath. Let's keep it simple. In this video, I'll break down the finance terms you actually need to know, explained without the jargon. Budget, cash flow, and emergency fund. I call these survival terms. You get paid on Friday, and by Monday, you're broke. That's what happens without a budget. A budget is where you take control. You give each dollar you earn a job to do. You tell it to spend here, not there. Cash flow. That's all the money coming in versus all the money going out. If you're making $4,000 but spending $5,000, that's negative cash flow. More money out than coming in. If you keep that up, soon you'll be drowning.
Show me the money!
That's positive cash flow in a nutshell. Money you can actually show. Here's the problem. Life doesn't really care about your budget or your cash flow. Stuff happens. Tires pop, jobs vanish, teeth break.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Exactly. With savings and a big enough emergency fund, the shark turns back into a goldfish. Without an emergency fund, well, see for yourself. Now let's talk about borrowing. Your credit score is basically your financial reputation boiled into 3 digits, ranging from 300 to 850. Think of it like your grade point average. High credit score, banks fall all over themselves to lend you money.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Bad score, doors slam shut. And when you do borrow, you pay rent on that money. It's called interest. Sometimes it's tiny, like 3% on a car loan. Sometimes it's brutal, like 25% on a credit card. Buy that $2,000 iPhone on a credit card at 25% interest and pay the minimum. 14 years later, you're still paying for it. And that $2,000 iPhone wound up costing you over $5,000.
Wow.
Interest is a hidden fee on every delayed payment, every swipe, every time you say, I'll pay it off later.
I'm in the water, man. It's gotta be in the water.
But here's where money flips sides. If you're the one earning interest, like when you have an investment, and then earning interest on that interest, your money snowballs. That's compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Save $200 a month starting at age 20, and by 60, you'll beat someone who saved twice as much starting at age 40. Not because they saved more, but because you started sooner. When you're investing, compound interest works for you. When you borrow, it works against you. Time cuts both ways. Inflation is what eats your money while you sleep. Your grandparents bought gas for 30 cents. Now it's $10. Inflation is why cash under the mattress is a bad idea. Imagine you stashed $10,000 under your mattress today. Fast forward 20 years, prices double and your $10,000 buys what $5,000 used to buy. It's like your money went on a diet while it was under the mattress. What's the real financial scoreboard? It's not your salary, not your car, or your Air Jordans. It's your net worth. It's everything you own minus everything you owe. Assets are your foot soldiers. Cash, stocks, your home. Liabilities are the enemies. Debt, loans, credit cards. Net worth is who's winning the battle. 2 people can both earn $80,000. One spends it all, the other invests and saves. Same income, but after 20 years, one has nothing, the other has 7 figures. That's why salary is noise, net worth is signal. And once you buy assets, the next question is, how safe are they? If you put all of your money in one stock, one crypto, one bet, you're gambling.
You put all your eggs in one basket, egghead. A fatal mistake.
Diversification is spreading your money across different buckets so one bad day doesn't wipe you out. It's not exciting, but neither is insurance until you need it. Here's where the long game comes in. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs are like greenhouses for your money. The government says, fine, grow your money in here and we'll give you tax breaks. Start early, and compound interest plus tax advantages will do the heavy lifting. And finally, the invisible term behind every decision, opportunity cost. Go on a $1,000 spending spree today, that's $1,000 you can't invest. Every choice has a trade-off. Every yes is a no to something else. That's opportunity cost, the door you didn't open. So that's the language of money, from everyday survival to long-term wealth, from budgets to opportunity costs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.